Before we get into multiplying, let's quickly recap what powers of 10 are. Powers of 10 are simply 10 multiplied by itself a certain number of times. For example, 10 to the power of 2 means 10 is multiplied 2 times, that is 10 into 10. 10 to the power of 3 is 10 multiplied 3 times to itself, so the numbers 10, 100, 1000 are all examples of positive powers of 10. Alright, now let's see what happens when we multiply 0.0025 by positive powers of 10. When you multiply by a power of 10, you're essentially moving the decimal point to the right by the number of zeros in that power. Here we have 1 0, so move the decimal point one place to the right. Now we have 2 zeros, so move the decimal point 2 places to the right. For 3 zeros, we will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. For 4 zeros, move the decimal point 4 places to the right. Here we have 5 zeros, so move the decimal point 5 places to the right. Since we don't have any number here, we'll add 0. Now let's see how to divide 73 by positive powers of 10. When you divide by a positive power of 10, you simply move the decimal point to the left by the number of zeros in that power. Here we have 1 0, so we move the decimal one place to the left. For 2 zeros, we move the decimal 2 places to the left. For 3 zeros, we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. When we move decimal to the left, if there are empty places, we add 0 to those places. For 4 zeros, we move decimal point to 4 places to the left. As a recap, in these two examples, we see that when we multiply, we move decimal place to the right, and when we divide, we move decimal point to the left,